Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In today's video, I'll try to do the CPU or throttling test on this Mi11 device. So which has a Snapdragon 888 processor. So recently one of the subscribers, he did ask me to do a video on the throttling test on the Snapdragon 888 processor. So he did mention the Snapdragon 888 processor. So right now I do have the Mi11 which has the same kind of Snapdragon 888 processor. So it will be the very good test to simulate this kind of CPU or throttling in this phone. So let's see friends, what will be the temperature will be increasing, how much difference will be there, all those things I'll try to talk in this complete video. And for this sake, I'm trying to use the real-time FPS meter and the real-time temperature tracking which is available in the Mi11 by default. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned how to turn on as well. So make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of more details. You can try to check the videos. So let's see friends, the temperature is kind of really accurate to the temperature reading which I'm getting right now. So you can see 32.3 and 32.5. So it's showing exactly that same temperature, 32.4. It's kind of accurate, same. And let me try to open the CPU throttling test and let me try to show you what are the settings I'm trying to use right now. So if you go to the options, you are having this kind of option. These are the default options which are set here. So I did not change anything. So automatically in the task after, let me try to select the 10 minutes. So I'll try to do this kind of test only for the 10 minutes of time. And these are the few details which I'll be doing during this test. So let me try to quickly start the test and let's see friends how much that phone can actually heat and what will be the results as well when I'm doing the test for the first time. So right now I'm using the Quad HD display plus 120 Hz. If you clearly see here, you can see the resolution and the 120 Hz as well. And right now the battery percentage is of 65% as you can see here. 65, and I'm trying to use the brightness. As you can see, I'm not trying to use the 100%. I'm trying to use maybe 75% of the brightness. So this is also another one thing which matters as well while using this kind of heavy throttling test application. So let's see friends, what will be the results. And right now I can see the temperature it started to increase. So 33.1 it started to increase. So right now it's just 40 seconds of time. The test has been started, and you can see the clock speeds and various temperature readings of the different process as you can see here. And right now the temperature is of 33.8 and 34.5. As you can see, it started to increase by 1 minute. Within 1 minute the temperature increased by 2 degrees. As you can see, for now it's 35.1. So it's increased by I think 3 degrees, as you can see, within close to 1 minute of time. So this is what the CPU throttling test is about. It will definitely test the high benchmarks of this all the processor, the Snapdragon 888. So if you want, I will try to do the same kind of benchmark and CPU throttling test in other smartphones as well. I'll try to include on the Realme X7 Pro, which has got the Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So we'll get to know more details about this phone. So if you are interested, to make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to make a video on this particular phone as well. So right now the temperature within 2 minutes the temperature increased to 37 degrees, 38 degrees friends. So within 2 minutes of time, if you see on the real-time temperature reading 37.5. So right now the time is about 2 minutes, as you can see clearly. 38 degrees. So overall the temperature is increasing continuously, as you can see. For every minute 2 degrees and 3 degrees it's trying to increase very faster. So you can see the performance over time of the graph, how it's varying, as you can see. So in the beginning the performance was close to here, as you can see it's maintaining close to 100%, but later on after 2 minutes and 35 seconds it started to decrease. It came to the 80% of the performance. So now again it started to increase and decrease, as you can see friends here. So let's see in the 10 minutes of time what will be the results will be there. I am really worried about only one thing, which is the temperature. So I'm not sure what will be the highest temperature the phone will be able to reach. I can feel the heat coming from the bottom of this camera module. I can feel this particular region. It's getting kind of heat. 39.8 degrees. And the performance also dropped to 80% right now. So starting from 100% performance over time graph, as you can see. So this will let you know how much percentage is maintained when the heavy tasks are done, as you can see. So again, I'll be back once the test has been successfully completed by 10 minutes. So let's see after the 10 minutes what will be the results and where the performance graph will be there, at what position will be there, and at what will be the temperature. My guess would be the temperature will be close to maybe 47-48 degrees. So let's see friends what will happen. So as you can see friends, it's been 10 minutes of continuously doing this kind of test, CPU throttling test. The temperature increased to the maximum of 40 degrees. So 40 degrees is the maximum increased temperature, so which I did notice. You can see on this real-time temperature tracking 39.5. So these were the results which came out. As you can see friends, CPU throttled to 77% of its max performance after 10 minutes of doing this kind of test, as you can see. So this just the 10 minutes of test friends. If you're doing the 30 minutes of throttling test, so this might even decrease the performance. So if you're interested to know, I'll try to do that kind of video as well later on in the future. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And the battery percentage drop it to the 60% starting from 65%. So from 65 drop it to 60 and 5% decreased during the 10 minutes of time only, as you can see friends. So these are the quick results of these test results, and as you can see even the CPU throttling where it is right now. So these are the few results, and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description for more interesting videos friends. I'll try to do so many comparison reviews with other smartphones using the Mi 11 smartphone. As you can see, this is Mi 11. So I'll try to do so many comparisons with other devices as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that upcoming videos. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to comment below what are the other tests you want me to do on this Snapdragon 888 processor. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.